Welcome to the Craft Channel. Today we will dive into the fascinating world of tea, one of the most popular drinks on the planet. More than 6 million tons of tea are harvested worldwide every year, and this is no coincidence. Major producing countries like China, India, Kenya and Sri Lanka play a key role in this process. We will tell you how tea is harvested and produced, as well as the traditions and technologies behind this ancient art. Stay tuned to find out more. Tea is one of the most popular beverages worldwide, and its production is spread across different countries depending on the time of year and the type of tea. For collection, special manual or mechanized equipment is used that cuts the top fresh leaves of tea bushes. Green tea and black tea are the two main types of tea, and they have different harvesting and processing methods. Green tea is most commonly harvested in spring and summer in countries such as China, Japan, Vietnam, and Korea. The process of harvesting green tea involves picking young and tender leaves and then twisting or heat treating them to preserve their fresh, herbaceous flavor. Black tea, on the other hand, is harvested and processed in many different ways. It often gathers during the summer and autumn months in countries such as India, Sri Lanka, Kenya, and Taiwan. Harvesting black tea involves plucking and oxidizing the leaves, which gives them a darker color and leads to the formation of aromatic compounds. In addition, some countries specialize in the production of certain varieties of tea. For example, Japan is known for its high-quality green teas such as Sencha and Gyokuro. India is famous for its Assamese and Darjeeling black teas, while China produces a wide range of teas, including famous varieties such as Pu'er and Lingjing. After harvesting, raw leaves are thoroughly washed with water and taken to a processing factory. At the Enterprise, it is sifted from branches and other foreign objects using special machines called tea sorters. Then the process of processing the leaves begins, which differs depending on the type of tea. For green tea, the leaves are usually rolled and heated to prevent them from oxidizing. For black tea, the leaves go through a longer oxidation process, which gives the tea its characteristic aroma and flavor profile. After processing, the tea is dried to remove excess moisture. This can happen naturally with the help of sunlight or with the help of special dryers. After drying, the tea is ready for packing. Special packaging machines are used to pack tea into various types of packages such as bags, boxes, etc. These packages are usually airtight to preserve the freshness and aroma of the tea. The New Holland 9050 liters is a grape harvester specifically designed for efficient and precise grape harvesting. It is a high-performance machine with advanced features to improve productivity in the vineyard. The New Holland 9050 liters features a powerful 144 horsepower common rail engine and a rugged chassis for smooth operation even in challenging vineyard conditions. It has a compact design and a 3,600-liter collection hopper, which allows it to easily maneuver between rows of vines. One of the key features of the 9050 liters is the gentle SDC shaking system, Noria's lossless harvesting system. Processing the grapes, it uses a series of soft rubber rods and adjustable shaking intensity to gently separate the grapes from the vines without harming them. This ensures a high-quality grape harvest and minimizes waste. The combine is also equipped with a spacious and comfortable cabin and operator seat that provides excellent visibility and ergonomics. It features intuitive auto steer, soft steer, IMS, intelligent management system, motor control and a user-friendly interface, making it easy to operate and adjust settings to suit the specific requirements of the vineyard. In addition, the New Holland 9050 liters offers advanced technology capabilities such as GPS guidance and yield monitoring systems that enable precise harvesting and efficient grape production management. The Lemken Titan 18V plow is a high-tech agricultural equipment developed by the German company Lemken, specializing in the production of innovative tools for soil cultivation. This plow is designed for deep loosening and turning over the soil, which is an important step in preparing the field for sowing. Main characteristics of the Lemken Titan 18V plow. The number of bodies is 18 pieces with a working width of up to 6 meters and a processing depth of up to 30 centimeters. The plow body is made of high-strength steel and is equipped with a system for adjusting the depth and angle of attack, which allows you to optimize the soil cultivation process depending on its properties and topography. Equipped with a system for automatically adjusting the gap between the bodies, which improves the quality of tillage and reduces energy costs. The plow is controlled using a hydraulic system, which ensures high accuracy and efficiency in operation. The design of the plow makes it easy to attach and detach it from the tractor, as well as quickly change the plow body if necessary. The Lemken Titan 18V plow is ideal for large agricultural enterprises that require efficient cultivation of large areas of soil with high speed and quality. Agricultural technology specialists ROPA have developed the new Gecko potato planter in collaboration with farm support. Gecko ensures gentle and precise planting of potatoes, minimizing damage to sprouts and maintaining their health. Thanks to its design and technology, Gecko offers high performance and ease of use. Thanks to this technology, potatoes can be planted from a distance of 12 centimeters at a travel speed of 3.5 kilometers per hour thanks to the 16-step planting distance adjustment. The time spent on boarding is reduced and the working conditions of personnel are improved, work becomes easier and more comfortable. The simplicity of the Gecko mobile trailed potato planter makes it the ideal choice for farmers looking for a modern and efficient alternative to traditional potato planting methods. The revolutionary high-tech self-propelled potato harvester Puma 4.0 is designed for large-scale potato harvesting. This innovative machine is capable of efficiently harvesting 4 rows of potatoes at the same time, significantly increasing productivity and reducing labor costs. The Puma 4.0 combine is equipped with a powerful Volvo Stage V engine with 469 horsepower, front tires 2x395 R52 and rear 2x960 R38, which makes it maneuverable, easily moving across the fields even in the most difficult terrain. The potato harvester has an adjustable row width for potato harvesting, which is 75 and 90 centimeters. It is equipped with a topper and a set of rotating knives that carefully bite into the soil and lift potatoes from the ground. The raised soil is sifted, and the potatoes are transported into the machine's hopper, which has a capacity of 8,000 kilograms. This makes it possible to continuously harvest without the need for frequent unloading. Using advanced technology to separate stones and other debris from harvested potatoes, it ensures a high-quality harvest. The machine is equipped with a comprehensive control system that allows the operator to monitor and adjust various parameters during operation, such as speed, depth and separation settings. This allows the operator to optimize harvesting according to specific soil and crop conditions. Additionally, the Puma 4.0 offers superior operator comfort and convenience. The cab is ergonomically designed to provide a comfortable working environment with excellent visibility. The controls are intuitive and easy to use, allowing the operator to effectively concentrate on harvesting tasks. Innovative and efficient top-air onion and garlic agricultural attachments designed for precise and gentle harvesting of these crops from the ground. Attached to harvesting machines such as tractors and other powerful machinery, the mounted harvester greatly simplifies the harvesting process, minimizing crop damage and loss. The top-air nozzle lifts the onion or garlic out of the ground using specialized combs and transfers it to a conveyor system, where it is also blown and vibrated by a high-speed airflow system. Shakes off soil and other debris on horizontal conveyor belts, and then loaded onto trailers or other vehicles for further processing and packaging. This attachment is equipped with various mechanisms to prevent crop damage during harvesting. They often include rubber or soft plastic surfaces that create a cushioning effect on contact with plants, preventing bruising, scarring, or damage to the bulbs or cloves. The top-air onion and garlic attachment has revolutionized the traditional manual harvesting method, significantly reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. Highly efficient and versatile baler agronomic Mr. 1210 multi-baler designed for the agricultural industry. It is specially designed to handle different types of materials and allows farmers to press a wide variety of crops such as hay, straw, silage or corn stalks. A feature of the agronomic Mr. 1210 multi-baler is its ability to produce high-quality bales. It has an adjustable chamber, allowing farmers to adjust the bale size to suit their specific needs. This flexibility is especially useful when working with different types of crops or when baling for different uses, such as livestock feed or sales packaging. The Mr. 1210 multi-baler is also equipped with a hydraulic system that ensures smooth and efficient operation as well as easy adjustment of bale settings. With a wide pickup width, it allows you to efficiently collect plant material. Don't forget to subscribe to our craft channel to stay updated and share this video with your friends who might be interested in this topic. Thanks for being with us. See you soon in our next videos.